Since room units are wireless, pairing can be done easily next to the control unit. Insert the batteries and the room unit will turn on automatically. Locate the pair button on the back just below the batteries and press it. Pairing mode is now indicated on the display. Now press the pair button on the control unit. Choose the actuators to assign to the room unit by pressing the up and down arrows. Pairing mode is indicated by a blinking LED below the pair button. The yellow blinking LED shows which actuator has been selected. Press the Select button to assign the actuator and press Pair to finalize pairing. Successful pairing is indicated on the room unit and the control unit. Press the Pair button one more time on the control unit to exit pairing mode. Room units come in two versions, a regular one for most rooms and one with an infrared floor sensor for bathrooms and delicate floors. For pairing both versions, follow the same simple steps. Begin by pressing the pair button at the back of the room unit and then press the pair button on the control unit. Please note that actuators which are already paired are indicated with a red LED light. Choose the actuators you want to assign to the current room unit. Set your selection by pressing the Select button and finalize the pairing by pressing the Pair button on the control unit. Exit the pairing mode by pressing the Pair button on the control unit one more time. Unpairing the room unit is a similarly simple process. Active pairing is indicated on the room unit with a wireless connection icon. Start unpairing by clicking the Pair button on the control unit. Pairing mode is indicated with an LED below the Pair button. Select the zone channel you want to unpair, then press and hold down the Select button for 5 seconds. Successful unpairing will be indicated when the corresponding LED is turned off. Press the Pair button on the control unit to exit pairing mode, then press the Pair button on the back of the room unit and remove one battery to reset the room unit. Unpaired status is indicated when no wireless connection icon is being displayed. Linking a SmartHeat system to a SmartHeat app can be done via the free iOS or Android app. Click on the Pair with Controller button to access the SmartHeat app's QR code scanner. The QR code is located at the top right-hand corner of the control unit. Click on the Scan button and scan the code. If the control unit is connected to the internet via a LAN cable, linking should be instantaneous. The control unit can also be connected to the internet via a Wi-Fi connection. Click on the Connected button to access the pairing mode. First, click the Pair button on the control unit and then on the Start Pairing button on the SmartHeat app to finalize pairing. Now you can name your SmartHeat system and all the individual zones in your home which are being managed by the SmartHeat system. Click Done and you are all set to start heating smart.